This is actually insane. You can find people mentioning your product or similar product to yours on social media, find their email and reach out to them. And that's what this person has done. Used this software to find someone talking about his product, message them, and they got them as their customer. It's our B2B, pretty big company. So let me show you how you can do all of that using Jungler and Salesforce. So first, go to Jungler and start for free. Set up your workspace. So for example, Salesforge, enter a profile you want to monitor first and click start monitoring. This could be any company, your competitors, whatever it is, and it will find them speaking about, your stuff or similar stuff to yours. Now, while it's scraping this profile, I want to show you that you can also monitor keywords and not just profiles. So what you would do is click keyword tracking right here. You select the time period, any filters you want, right? Filtered by post type, buying intent, thought leadership, whatever it is, sentiment, author, language, region, all of these filters that you can use to find posts that are most relevant. So here you go, you do search input, an example right here, what kind of keywords you want, cold outreach or cold email, or sale or outreach, whatever it is, right? You save and fetch. And this is another way to automate it all. As you can see, it's the marbles are switching places. For some reason, nothing was found for these keywords. But essentially how it would work is you would get all the posts right here with information about the original poster, and you could export the posts. As you can see, author name, first name, profile, URL, and you would use that information to enrich data with emails and then reach out to them. And I will show you how to reach out to everyone in a second. Here we go. We got all the data of all the people engaging with Frank Saunders. It could be your competitor, right? A company, your company, whatever it is. And we have 2,760 engagements, right? We have the person, their LinkedIn profile, job title, function, region, company size, all of that stuff. You can filter by reactions, by engagements. I mean, is it a comment? Is it whatever it is, right? And we have pages and pages of that. Here you go. Let's say it's the comments. We filter down by comments. We have 600 now left. What we would do then is filter down by your exact ICP filters, right? So we have US, region, seniority. So you can have executive manager. That's good. Apply function. Let's say sales, apply. Here we go. We have 23 people, edit by company size, whatever you want basically. And then you can export all of this data. You click right here. You select the format. You select what you want to actually export. So what we would do is keep author's name or just the first name and last name, profile URL, and that's it. We don't need anything else. We export the CSV file. We go to Salesforce, and this is where the magic happens. This is where we actually reach out to those people. Now, we only have LinkedIn URLs right now. If you want to enrich the data with emails, you would go to Salesforge. So what we do is we go to multi-channel tab. We add a sequence, and since we only have their LinkedIn URLs, we'll be doing LinkedIn outreach. But what you can do is enrich those profiles with emails to do multi-channel outreach at a scale you've never seen before, because here you can connect unlimited mailboxes and unlimited LinkedIn sender profiles. So first, let's say we want to do just LinkedIn. We first view the profile, then we follow the contact, like their latest post, just so we appear on their timeline or notifications a couple of times before we request a connection request. If they do not accept it, we withdraw the connection request to stay on the good side of LinkedIn. We then send the message if the request is accepted, send a follow-up message, and send a breakup message, basically where you say, okay, perhaps this offer is not interesting to you. Here's a freebie, right? You just give them something so they can hold on to. So eventually when they're ready to buy your service, they come to you, right? So here's where you add your initial message, you syntax it, you add your pitch, whatever you use for cold email or LinkedIn right here. Same goes here for the follow-up, and same goes here for the second follow-up. You can add as many, but I suggest 3 messages max. Go to the contacts tab, upload the CSV file we just downloaded from Jungler, map that data. Oh, we exported authors. And to export, you click right here, you select engagers, you select the data type you want to export, you select all the information you want to export. So let's say profile URL, username, no need, nothing else is needed. We only really need first name, last name, and profile URL. Click export, and we have exported everyone. Here we go. We have all the data mapped, LinkedIn URL. Here we go. And we can actually reach out to all of these people right now, automated, right? We add them to sequence. It's importing. We have all of them right here. We can use their name as custom variables in the email sending. Here we add our sender profile. Since this is a multi-channel outreach sequence, you can do email and LinkedIn. Here you would add sender profile. Sender profile is basically just the mailboxes and LinkedIn accounts you want to use in your outreach. So you would add your mailboxes right here, your account right here, and you connect them right here to actually reach out to those people. Then you edit the settings, whatever you you need. If you're doing multi-channel, maybe you add plain text, whatever else you want, and you launch the sequence. And this is how easy it is to automate outreach based on social media signals, like your company being mentioned, people mentioning certain pain points they're struggling with. All of that stuff that shows high buying intent, you get all of it and you basically just reach out to them using Jungler and Salesforge. Now, if you want to see how to actually generate leads using AI yourself, not based on buying intent, just overall great leads without tedious search, I suggest you take a look at this video where I show you how to use LeadsForge to find high quality leads using AI.